Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2008 Yamaha VStar 1100 Classic. This big bore V-twin just arrived with only 2,800 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition, metallic black with ghost flames paint, brand new tires, brand new battery. It's got an awesome sounding Cobra exhaust system, shaft drive. Come on by, make your V-twin dreams come true for just $39.99. This bike is not going to be here long. Come on by, check it out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.